Hi, Roxana from allpersonal here, a training, coaching, and consulting company based in Canada that helps emerging leaders build their people and leadership skills muscles so that they become dream bosses, build dream teams, and dream businesses. And today we're looking at the three things that millennials should keep in mind to be a valuable team member. Now, there are many things that millennials are doing right already as team members because they are very collaborative. So, the first one that I would emphasize here in this video is learn how to express differences of opinion. What I find is because millennials are very big on positive reinforcement, they are pretty uncomfortable with giving negative feedback or with disagreeing or with managing or handling conflict. You have to learn how to get comfortable with this, with giving negative feedback, with letting people know what doesn't work and what would work instead. Look at it from a different perspective. It doesn't have to mean that you're ending the relationship with them right then just because you gave them some negative feedback. No, what that means is that you can take that relationship to the next step and improve it just by agreeing of what needs to change so that that professional relationship works for both of you. Number two is think of yourself as a role model. I find that a lot of millennial leaders, because they are lifelong learners, they look at themselves from this perspective of the mentee. They're perpetual mentees or coachees, and they don't look at themselves as in the mentor role or in the coach role. And you're actually very good at that. And you have to understand you're 50% of the workforce already. And you have the next generation of Gen Zs coming right after. So you are actually a role model to them. You're a role model to other generations ahead of you, like the Gen Xers or the Xennials, the ones that are in between the millennials and the X. So think about yourself as a role model as well as somebody who is continuously learning. That's fine. But just know that you're also passing knowledge and experience to others around you. And that's great. And third, keep asking why and why not. What we're seeing, the changes that we're seeing in the workplace today, happened because people like you and millennials in particular came into the workforce and they started asking questions. Why do we have this procedure? Why do we have this framework? Why are we doing that? And what are we not pursuing this other idea? Keep doing that because especially in these post-pandemic times, this is essential to make sure that all of our processes and procedures that we have in place actually serve the people that work in that organization so that those people can serve the clients as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.